In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an image to an email address in Google Docs. We're going to take any image in your document and make it clickable so that when someone selects it, their email app opens with a new message addressed to you. This is quick, clean, and a great way to make contact buttons or banners feel professional inside a Google Doc. First, add your image to the document. Go to the top menu, choose Insert, then Image, and pick where you want to upload from: your computer, Drive, or the web. Once the image appears, make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue outline and small handles around the corners. If you don't see that, simply click the image once. With the image selected, open the link dialog. The fastest way is the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+K on Windows or Chrome OS, or CMD+K on a Mac. If you prefer menus, you can also go to Insert in the top menu and choose Link. Either method opens the link box where you normally paste URLs. In that link field, you're going to type a special kind of link that tells Google Docs to open an email draft. Type exactly, mail to your email at example.com. Be sure to replace the placeholder with your actual email address and keep everything together with no spaces. The word mail to is all one word, followed by a colon, then your email. This format is what signals the document to create an email draft instead of navigating to a web page. Now click Apply. That's it. The image is now a clickable email link. From here on, whenever someone clicks the image in the document, it will open their default mail client with a new message addressed to the email you set. In editing mode, Google Docs may show a small link preview when you click the image. You can use that to open the link and test it. In viewing or printed PDF versions, it behaves like a normal link. A couple of quick reminders to keep things smooth. Confirm the image is selected before adding the link, otherwise the link might get applied to text instead. Double-check your email spelling, because any typo will lead to a broken or misdirected message. And if you're sharing the document widely, consider using a monitored inbox so replies don't get lost. That's all you need to hyperlink an image to an email address in Google Docs. Simple, effective, and done in seconds.